Hello everyone! Today I'll show you a tool that can replace a gasoline chainsaw, the Greenworks GD40CS18 Cordless Chainsaw, available on Amazon. Before we start, drop a like and subscribe. It really helps the channel and motivates me to make more reviews. Let's go! The saw comes in a standard box. Inside you'll find the saw itself, the bar, the chain and a manual. Everything is packed neatly, nothing rattles. Assembly takes just a few minutes, even if it's your first time. The saw looks compact and well built. It's easy to hold, much lighter than gasoline models. The handle is comfortable. The weight is well balanced and it doesn't slip during work. Suitable even for those who have never used a chainsaw before. Starts instantly. Just press the button and work. No gasoline, no mixing, no pulling starters. Suitable for cutting firewood, branches, boards and medium-sized logs. Runs on a battery so you can work in the yard, garden or countryside without a power outlet. Cutting speed is surprisingly good, more than enough for home use. The saw works quietly, no loud engine noise. You don't need fuel or maintenance, just charge and use. Great for firewood preparation, tree trimming and home projects. Compact and lightweight. Hands don't get tired quickly, no fumes, comfortable to work with. The battery drains faster when cutting thick logs. For large trunks, a gasoline saw is still more powerful. If the battery isn't included, you'll need to buy one separately. The saw leaves a very positive impression. This is one of those cases where a cordless tool truly replaces a gasoline one for everyday use. It's lightweight, easy to operate, and doesn't require preparation. Take it, power it on, and work. For the garden, firewood, or seasonal tasks, an excellent choice, especially if you don't want to deal with fuel and engine maintenance. I'd say it's an ideal solution for household work.